Guys, welcome to my channel. So how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver? So you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see this search button. Then enter model number of your motherboard. Then hit enter. Now this is searching, and then click go to the product. You can see 4H10M HV2. Click on this. For this open, then click to support. So guys, first select the operating system, Windows 10, 11, both installations process same. So no worry about that. VGA, Intel VGA driver, and click to download. Oh, this is completed. Then just open this and double click to launch. This is exe. Click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system for the installations. So now this is installing. So wait few seconds, it will complete. So and automatically close it. This is installed like that, and then close. And thank you so